Wow, what a lovely streetscape at the Model Village here at Cresswind, Charlotte. I'm Roger Holloway, the YouTube video real estate agent guy, and I want to show you the Redwood. This is the last model. Got some nice gingerbread on it. Now, very similar to the Oakside, the Redwood model is a 3-bedroom split ranch, but it's configured a little bit differently. And that's why Cresswind had the insight to build 9 different models for you to choose from with different facades on each one. Now, if you're a formal dining room person like my wife is, and if you never use it, like we don't, except a couple of times a year, you're gonna like this. But you know, you're not limited to that space there. You can do whatever you want with it. Maybe that's a workout room. Here's a really nice room you could use as an office, study, or a sitting room, or a cigar room, whatever. But you know, the wide entry going to the master bedroom is right back there, is pretty neat. And then you've got a guest bath, your little powder room and coat closet. Let's just take a look back. I noticed these mirrors, you know, they don't offer this as an option, but that would be so easy for you to have a trim carpenter come in and get some glass and make that. I think it's a really elegant design feature, just as you make your approach in here. Again, there's so many interesting architectural elements. Wow. Now that ceiling really bumps up there. It's probably 10 and a half, 11 feet, because you're looking at 8-foot doors. And again, a little vestibule going into the master. Let's go into the master now. You got this space, you can go to the left and see your main elements of, you know, bathing and preparing yourself. And then you can take a right and go right into the bedroom. Isn't this lovely, nicely decorated? So this is one of their larger plans, and it's got to fit on the right lot. So there are a lot of dynamics to purchasing a new house. That's why you really want to have a buyer's agent. My services to you are free. The seller's already got that built into the price of the home. But just to help you navigate, I'm here today to do a contract for some folks that came in town over the weekend, made their final decision, and we're doing a contract remotely. I came to be with the salesperson, and then they're back in Florida. That we call them halfbacks. They went all the way down. They're coming halfway back. So this is the open concept, but it's configured a little differently. You've got the master off to your left, and when I said split ranch, you've got 2 bedrooms over here. Now, obviously, that could be used as an office, as a workout room, as a guest suite. And the way Kolter has designed these Jack and Jill baths is really brilliant, because each one of them has a sink right there, access to, and then you can lock this door, and then that bedroom can have not only the sink, but access to the commode and to the shower. And boy, isn't that a lovely shower. I just love these pans of tile on the bottom. Listello, really nice. So either one of these could be made into an ensuite where the remaining bedroom still has the use of its own sink. So it's beautiful. Wow. Hey guys, by the way, talking to some folks in town today and tomorrow about that HECM loan. I do have a loan specialist that you could talk to about it, where you could literally never have a principal and interest payment, and you could, both of you, live as long as the remaining spouse is alive and never have to make a mortgage and interest payment. Now, I'm not a loan guy, but for some folks, it helps you to buy more house and never have to worry if the market crashes and the value of the house goes down. If you'd like some information about that, I'd like to put you in touch with a lender that can explain it to you. It's the new take on the reverse mortgage. They just reduced some of the fees. It's really attractive for the right person. So, hope you enjoy the Redwood tour. This is Roger. Give me a call. I'd love to be your buyer's agent, 704-345-3400.